Bye, Starbucks. Bye. See you later. Good morning, guys. Rise and shine. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole, and today we are on day 3 of our 30-day challenge. Today, I'm going to be doing my workout inside of the gym. The previous days, I've been walking with the dog. I am probably going to walk with her later on today, but today I wanted to go into the gym. I was trying to get a jump start on the gym crowd. I can't find my lip gloss, y'all. There we go. I'm digging in my purse trying to find my lip gloss. Laneige. I told you guys this yesterday. I have them everywhere. They're the best. Anywho, I am in the parking lot of the gym and I see a ton of people. Everybody's doing the challenge with us. That's the goal. But yeah, so we're going to the gym today. I'm not sure how the filming thing is going to work because this parking lot is extremely crowded and I have a large gym. So for the parking lot to be this crowded, there are going to be people everywhere and I don't want to film people without their consent. So we're going to see how this goes. Worst case scenario, I might just film on my camera for a little bit. I'm not sure, you guys. I'm gonna do the best that I can with what I got. Ain't that what Mariah said? So let's get this gym workout in, and then I do need to go to the grocery store and get more fruits, and I need to get more vegetables. So hopefully I can go to my local farmer's market that's not too far away and grab that, and we're gonna get our day started. All right, we are at the grocery store, and my goal is to go in here and get a few things. So I'm only bringing one bag, and yeah, that's the goal. Are we going to make it happen? Only God knows, but I only bring one bag. Last time I did this, I had to go to the car and get more. All right, so we're gonna see, y'all. We're gonna see what happens. These rotisserie chickens are looking pretty good. They are $7.99. They're kind of small though. But these are a really easy meal when you don't feel like cooking and you want something to grab and go. This one looks good. Definitely good. This one definitely looks super good. The grapes aren't looking all that good, but this pineapple definitely is. And I love pineapple, so we're definitely going to be grabbing this. 2 for $5. They always say look at the bottom of your pineapple because that's how you know if they're ripe or not. So this one looks good. So I read in an article that when you're in the grocery store and you're buying meat, you should always avoid the packages that look like they have bubbles in them, like this one. See how it's like puffing up? They say you should avoid those because They are like growing bacteria in them, and the air is expanding inside of the package. So ever since then, I am very cautious on how I get my meat. Like even this one, you look at this one, see how flat that is? It's not bouncing back compared to this one. See how big that is? Yeah, no. We don't want that. So let me go through all the ground turkey and find the one that I'm comfortable with. And we're gonna get some turkey. I said a few things. Yeah, that didn't work. The shame. The shame. I'm kidding, y'all. I really want a coffee, and I'm passing Starbucks, and my whole little life is right there, y'all. My whole little soul is sad right now. Bye, Starbucks. Bye. See you later. All right, you guys, we're back home, and I'm trying to figure out what I want for breakfast. I'm not sure if I want to do scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, or if I want to make a breakfast sandwich. I'm not sure. Clearly I have enough time on my hands to make that decision, but I think I'm actually going to make a breakfast sandwich. I just left the gym and I did my workout fasted, which means I had no food in my stomach, so I'm using the stored glycogen in my muscles as energy, so I need to replenish that. Therefore, carbs, healthy fats, and all the good stuff. So I want to make a really big breakfast because I know for lunch I'm doing salad. So I think I want to make a breakfast sandwich. I went and got some English muffins on sale. Shout out to my grocery store. They were on sale, so I'm thinking I'm going to use these. A serving of these is 150, and then I'm going to probably do 2 eggs and some turkey sausage and a teaspoon of ketchup. And yes, I do measure my ketchup because I love ketchup, and if I don't measure it, I'll do too much, so I have to measure that. So I think I'm gonna do a breakfast sandwich. Let's get that started. Today is day 3 of our 30-day challenge. We are doing a weight loss challenge here, but it is focusing also on our mindset, our mental health, and so much more. So today is our day 3. And I know this video, I haven't done too much talking. Today was my first day back into the physical gym and it felt great. I'm really excited about it. And I just showed you guys what I made for breakfast. But one of the things that I also wanted to talk to you guys about was how I track my calories. If you notice in the video, you see that I measure out my honey. You see that I measure out my ketchup. Condiments are one of those things that kind of sneak up on you. So for me, I love ketchup. And if I don't measure it out, I will put ketchup everywhere. So one of the things that I like to use is MyFitnessPal. I've been using it for years. I do have a little bit of a history with doing fitness competitions, and I did take some personal training courses, and coincidentally enough, I'm taking a nutrition course right now, which is very interesting that I'm doing that at the same time as this, but nevertheless, I'm learning. We're all learning at the same time. But I like to track my calories on MyFitnessPal, and it is an app that you have on your phone. It's free, and it basically allows you to scan products. It allows you to put in what you're eating throughout the day. You can go to a website. It's called myplate.com or .gov. I'm sorry, I just got that off of my teacher, but it's called myplate.com or .gov, and it allows you to put in your height, your weight, your age, and it tells you how many calories that you need to maintain your weight and how many calories you need to lose weight. So once you get your calories, you can put that into your MyFitnessPal, and then you're able to calculate how much you're eating a day. You can stay on track, and you will know probably by the first 2 meals of the day, including snacks and stuff, how many calories you have left. And it just helps you to plan out your meals. And it also shows you how much you're eating, because if you don't measure it out and you don't track it, you'll think, oh, I just had a salad. The salad, 2,000 calories. Oh, I just had a chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich is 700 calories. So it's just a really good way of being mindful of what you're ingesting. And also, if you're not eating enough, which is me sometimes, some days I don't eat until, 4 or 5 o'clock. Oops. So it helps me to know how many calories I have left. So MyFitnessPal is how I'm tracking my calories throughout this challenge. I highly recommend you guys get that app or something that's comparable to that, so that you know how much you're actually eating and ingesting. Also, I really wanted a coffee this morning, and I went with my green tea. I have green tea in here. I don't have any lemons because my daughter ate them last night. So I just put in a teaspoon of honey, and this is going to be my caffeine for the morning. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Today, I am not going to be doing too much. I did my workout. As you can see, I'm going to be doing a lot of work on my computer today. So my day is going to be, for the most part, pretty streamlined, but I like to get my workouts in early in the morning so that I can start my day off right. And then when my day gets hectic, when I go pick up the kids and start cooking and doing, household things, I don't get caught up. So I try to get it done as early as possible. Also, I wanted to mention to you guys, I have started getting up a little bit earlier. That's one of the things that I wanted to challenge myself with for the month. I wanted to start to wake up a little bit earlier. So tomorrow you'll probably see this vlog start off a little bit darker because I'll probably be getting up around 5:30, because if I don't, I'm going to be late for work and I have a long to-do list. So that is it for day 3, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are following on this challenge. We are doing it. It is day 3. I'm still excited. And, we're going to just make it happen. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you haven't done so already, ChimereNicole. And follow me on Instagram at ChimereNicole. I would love to have you guys on my Instagram. We are doing the thing, honey, 2023. So I will see you guys tomorrow here on this channel for day 4 of our 30-day challenge.